You know that feeling when a phone is almost perfect, but not quite? That's basically been Samsung foldables for the last few years. Incredible tech, amazing screens, yet somehow the same complaints keep coming back. The battery could be better. The crease is still there. And yeah, the S Pen disappearing really hurt. But honestly, 2026 feels different. Because Samsung isn't just upgrading the Galaxy Z Fold 8, they're changing the entire idea of what a fold can be. This time there are two paths. First, you've got the classic Z Fold 8. Tall, slim, light, easy to slide into your pocket. This is the fold for people who already love the design and just want it polished. Better battery life, faster charging, improved cameras, a smoother hinge. No drama, just refinement done right. Then there's the phone that really made me stop and go, wait, what? The wide fold. This thing isn't trying to be flashy, it's trying to feel right. Shorter, wider, more natural when you hold it closed. No more awkward remote control shape. And when you open it up, you're looking at a screen that feels less like a stretched phone and more like a real mini tablet. And here's the part longtime Samsung fans are going to love. The S Pen is back, but only where it actually makes sense. On the wide fold, a bigger, more productive screen where drawing, note-taking, and multitasking feel natural again. If Apple's foldable iPhone launches without stylus support, Samsung could quietly win a lot of people over right here. Battery worries? Samsung finally listened. Bigger batteries, faster wired charging. Even wireless charging gets a real boost. This is the kind of everyday upgrade you feel, not just read on a spec sheet. Cameras are leveling up too, and the crease? Samsung is pushing new hinge tech to make it smoother and way less noticeable. So no, this doesn't feel like Samsung chasing Apple. Feels like Samsung preparing for them. Two foldables. Two personalities. One built for daily life. One built for real work. Now I'm curious, which one would you actually carry? The Slim Classic or the wide fold with the S Pen? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this got you excited for 2026, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.